What's up people, welcome back to another video. This one is just a super quick announcement. I've been watching TED Talks for most of my life and I've loved them for most of my life. And I was really thankful and grateful for the opportunity to be asked to give one. The TED Talk that I delivered was The Secret Science of Filmmaking. So it's one for all of the filmmakers, the content makers, the creators out there. The theme of the talk was behind the mask. So I did exactly that. I took the mask off of all of the secrets that go into actually making a film. Most people think it's quite artistic and films are just get a camera, point it somewhere, cut and edit together. So this talk is peeling back the scientific way and the scientific process that goes into making films and really posing the question, is it more scientific or artistic, this craft that we have of filmmaking? And really it's a question, it's a challenge that when there's so much science in the art of filmmaking, is that actually hindering creativity? So I'd be really grateful if you would go and check that out, take a look at it, let me know what you think, leave a comment on this video, leave a comment on that video, give it a little like, it would really make a massive difference. I've left a link for it in the description below. Just give that a click, go ahead, it's on the TEDx platform. I'll be super grateful. This one's for the filmmakers. And that's it, peace out.